You see those pictures online where people just throw trash here, like, and those like piles up. It's like, that's disgusting. How the hell do you do that? Like, look at this guy. Look at this guy. He's going on green. Oh, yo. What the heck?
What is he thinking?
What was that? If you get lucky, Lydia, you possibly did. You might get the green arrow. Yes, you did. Please turn. Watch the other black one. Wait. What are you doing? Oh my god.
Damn.
What the shit? They almost did that. I think I'm good turn. Oh, whoa. What the fuck? They were definitely on that phone. Oh my god, man.
Going downhill in the car. I don't like it.
Stupidest drivers. Jesus Christ. Did he just cut you on? Scan ahead. What do you have? Red. Okay, that's fine. I got running a red light.
They're running.
It's like, bro, what?
That was a blatant red light too.
Yeah. Okay. It's impossible. It's a kid crossing the purple. Careful. Alright, that's so dangerous, man. So we just green arrows will always go first and then bring the green light. See, he's not supposed to do this.
He's not.
He's not supposed to do that, yeah. Because it's still a red light and he's running a red light. Yes. Because he's considered a vehicle. Ready? That's why
Yeah,
that's why
yeah.
they want us to be nice.